in the quiet rhythm of life. Between sunrise and sunset, human chase something invisible. Some chase dreams, some chase peace, but many chase the shining promise of money. Money glitters like sunlight on glass. It whispers promise of comfort and power. It builds tall towers that touch the clouds, fill pockets with pride, and paints the image of success in the eyes of the world. From the day we first step into school, we are taught the language of ambition. Study hard, work hard, earning more. We are told that wealth in the measure of a little wealth life. But somewhere in the rush of growing up, we forget to ask a quiet question. What is wealth truly? Is it numbers resting in a silent bank account, or the laughter echoing in our memories? Because life moves quietly, like a river that never stops flowing, while we count our coins and hours. Time slips through our fingers like grains of sand. Children grow taller, parents grow older, friends become strangers, lost in different directions of life, and the moments that once wait patiently for us fade away without a sound. Money can buy a gold watch, but it cannot slow the tick of time. Money can build a magnificent house, but it cannot fill its rooms with warmth. Money can purchase gifts worth in silver, but it cannot wrap the heart with love. Memories, however, are different. They are quiet treasures, hidden inside the soul. They live in a sound of laughter, shared on long, careless nights. They live in the warmth of family dinners, when stories flow like gentle rivers. They live in small adventures, a road with no destination, a sunset watched in silence, a conversation that stretches until the stars appear. These moments are simple, their beauty is endless. Years later, when hair turns silver and footsteps grow slower, people rarely remember how much money they earn. But they remember the night they laughed until tears fell. They remember the journey that changed their hearts. They remember the hands they held when the world felt uncertain, because memories do not fade like currency. Money can disappear overnight, lost in markets, spent on things that grow old. But memories live quietly within us, like stars that continue to shine even after the night grows dark. But money was never to be the destination. It is only a tool, a key to open certain doors. The real journey is what lies behind those doors. A life spent only chasing wealth is like a traveler who collects tickets but never boards the trains. The world is vast and beautiful, full of stories waiting to be lived. Work hard, yes, but remember to be brave. Save wisely, yes, but remember to be wonder. Plan for tomorrow, but do not forget the miracle of today. Because one day, when the noise of the world becomes quiet and the long road of life reaches its end, we will not carry our money with us. The house will remain, the cars will remain, the numbers will stay inside forgotten accounts. But the memories, those golden fragments of living, will remain within our hearts. They will be the laughter that a choice broke time. They will be the warmth that softens the cool edge of age. They will be the stories we leave behind for others to tell. So, perhaps the question is not money or memories. Perhaps the question is deeper. How do we live a life rich in both wisdom and wonder? Earn your money, but do not lose your moments. Build your future, but do not abandon your present. For in the end, the richest life is not measured by what we own, but by what we live, what we love.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our podcast channel Nagakas, your main podcast channel. And also again with me, Muhammad Alifatullah bin Zakaria, and you can call me Alif. Your moderator, and also with me, your favorite panel is
Muhammad Adib bin Jafar, and you can call me Adib.
And my name is Ni Ahmad Safiuddin bin Ahmad Suhaimi, and you guys can call me Deng or Safiuddin.
okay. So tonight we want to talk about a topic that hot in our environment, in our media
Social media.
social.
Yes.
That is money versus memory. Should we spend or should we use? So we know that money always we using in our daily life, such like we earn, we spend, we saving, but sometimes we also we also think some question like in our mind, like should we spend money or we use to create a lot of memory that can be we remind in our next life. So some people believe that money should be saved because the future is important, and the financial stability too important. So we know that money is such a thing that we call safe, but sometimes people also think that memories is important too, such like meaningful memories or meaningful meaningful memories that we create in our
Oh,
family.
Yes.
So, how about you then?
Personally, I believe saving is more important because we need a financial security to the future. So I think saving is more important lah.
Oh, I understand that. But I think memories is more important because we can experience it, and it is what we truly need in our life because it was a meaningful thing. I think.
Yeah. Memory are the moment we create in life that stay with us forever. Those memory can come from many experiences such as traveling, spend time with family and friends, or celebrating special occasion or trying something new in our life.
Exactly. I agree with you.
Yeah.
Because these experience are what people will remember when they look back in their life. Because they will always keep in mind of that people because memory cannot be erased easily.
But the problem is many of these experience require money.
Now, many people choose to spend money on traveling because of the traveling allow them to explore new culture and meet new people, and more is they can experience the different of the environment. Even though traveling is can be the expensive thing, but the memory that been created during the journey can still last for a lifetime. Traveling is not just spending money, right? It is an investment in personal growth and unforgettable memories.
However, traveling can be very expensive, right?
Yeah.
Like if people spend too much money on travel, what happen if they might not have enough money or saving for emergency?
I think like that. So, and another example is spending money on activities like concerts, hobbies, or adventure, such as hiking or camping. These activities may cost money, but they give people happiness and excitement. When people look back at their life, they often remember the special experience rather than the money they saved.
It's low-key true, bro. People really remember that the amount of money in their bank account, but they always remember the best moment in their experience.
But if someone spend too much money or entertainment, it might affect their financial stability. What do you think?
In fact, many psychologists say that experience often bring longer happiness compared to material possessions. When we buy material things that like gadget
Close.
or clothes, the happiness might only last for a short time. However, meaningful experience can stay in our memories in many years.
Yes, I agree with that. Because experience create emotional value, which is something money cannot replace it. What do you think?
I think I agree with you. But experience are valuable. But they should not come at the cost of financial security. What do you think?
Many people believe that creating memory is one of the most important thing in our life. One reason is that life is unpredictable and time moves very fast. People do not want to spend their whole life on on saving their money without enjoying their life.
I really agree with that. Because life is short, and if we only focus on saving money, we might miss many unbelievable experience.
But if we only focus enjoying our life now, we might face financial problem later, you know?
Yeah, I think that's right too. But imagine if someone who worked very hard for many years and save all their money, but never travel or go out to somewhere else or spend time enjoying life. Later in life, they might regret not taking the opportunity to explore the world or spend their money to do a meaningful time with their loved one.
Exactly. Regret is something many people experience when they realize they were to focus on money.
But regret can also happen if someone reach old age without enough saving.
When people spend money on their trip or travel with friends,
Yes.
we know that we use money to going to travel that. So in that time, we build some bond, a new bond, or we strengthen our relationship with them.
Yes, experience bring people close together. Money cannot replace the relationship. Such as for me, from my experience, uh, my mother always spend his money for us, like doing birthday party. That's create a lot of memory that I can still remember till now. Yeah.
That is true, but relationship can still be strong without spending too much money. I think.
The story often become the stories. The moment often become the stories people share and remember for the rest of their life. However, this also raises an important question. What is that? If people spend too much money on experience, will they face financial problem in future? So, then, can you explain to us an importance of saving money for the future?
Alright. Alright, Alip. Now, let's talk about the other side, which is the importance of saving money for the future. Like saving money is extremely important because it provides financial security.
Yeah.
In life, unexpected situation can be happen anytime. For example, someone might face medical emergencies, lose their job,
Yeah.
or encounter sudden financial difficulties.
Yes.
If a person, if a person have a saving, they will be better prepared to handle this challenge. You guys know about war Iran with America?
Oh yes, yes, I know.
Right.
Maybe it can affect economy,
Yeah.
world economy. So
yeah.
if a few family did not have saving, so what happen if what happen is if
About the economy.
yes what do you think?
I agree with that. That saving money is important, but it doesn't mean we should stop enjoying life.
Hear me out.
Okay.
Without saving, people may experience stress and worry because they do not have financial support, like during difficult time.
Yes.
For example, during global events like economic crisis or pandemic, many people lost their job
That's
or source of income. Those who had a saving were able to survive more easily compared to those who spend all their money.
Okay, fair enough. But people can still create memory without spending all their money, right?
You're right. But another important reason to save money is future planning. Everyone has goal and dream for the future. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Their goals may include education, fee, starting business, buying a house,
Yes.
or more important is getting married. For young people like us, you want marry?
Yes,
So we need to have a saving.
Yes, but to achieve this achievement should not mean we need to sacrifice all the enjoyable moment in our life.
All of the plans require financial preparation, right?
Okay.
So if people spend all their money without saving, it may become difficult for them to achieve their long-term goals.
Oh, that's why the key is not choosing one side,
Yes.
but it's managing both enjoyable life and save money wisely, right?
I think another major advantage of saving money is avoiding financial stress and debt. If people continuously spend money without thinking about their financial situation, they might eventually fall into debt. Like people, young people right now is FOMO,
FOMO.
fear of missing out.
Missing out.
Yes.
Okay, I agree with that. It's dangerous. But memory don't always require expensive spending, right?
For instance, if someone spend too much money on luxury experience and unnecessary
Unnecessary.
item, they might rely on credit card or loan.
Oh, this is why people should choose meaningful experience, not just
Yeah.
expensive one, right?
Yes. Okay, now explain your point that how people can find a balance between money and memories. Okay, you can.
Let's be real. Both of you have explained two very important perspective. Right?
Yes.
One focus on enjoying life and creating memory, while the other focus on saving. I'm sorry. I think this is your point.
Oh,
Yes.
this is my point?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I think I answered because this podcast too hard to me to.
Okay.
Yeah,
I
so-
understand that.
So sorry guys. This is my point. I'm sorry guys. Let's be natural. Both of you have explained two very important perspective. One focus on enjoying life and one focus on creating memories. Why the other focus on saving money and planning for the future? In my opinion, memories and experience are extremely important because they give the meaning and happiness. Life should not be only about saving money or only about spending money. Instead, people should learn how to manage their finances wisely while still enjoying meaningful experience.
So you are saying people should spend money but still save at the same time?
Exactly, that's right, then. The key is balance, not choosing the only one. Creating memories does not always require spending a large amount of money.
Yes.
For example, people can travel locally instead of going and expensive international trips. Just like we can go to Cameron Highland.
Yes.
Instead, we going to Jakarta. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So visiting nearby attraction parts of beach. Sorry.
Okay.
I think I'm too excited. So
Okay.
I did.
That's a good example, It make more memories more affordable. Another example is, another example is spending quality time with loved one. through simple activity like having a picnic at the park or watching a movie together in the cinema or celebrating small achievement like birthday or anything else.
I agree. Those activities are meaningful and do not require too much money. Personally, I believe that both money and memories are important in life. Alright?
Okay.
So,
Money, sorry. Let me finish first.
okay, sorry, my friend.
Money gives us security and stability, while memories give us happiness and meaning. Without money, life can become difficult. But without experience and memories, life can feel empty.
That's right. We should feel like that too. In conclusion, the question monies versus memories, spend it all or save for later, does not have a simple answer. That's right.
Yes, that's right.
Saving money is important because it protects our future.
But creating memory also important because it gives our life meaning.
Yeah, that's right. Therefore, the best solution is finding a balance between money and memories. So, guys, I think we reached the peak of our podcast. So,
Yes.
we will meet in another episode of Nagacast. So, see you all next time.
Before for you guys information, yesterday we have record a social experiment. So yesterday we interview some of people at the park.
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
I regret that. Then,
I remember that.
yes.
Okay.
So, enjoy our social experiment. Baca sa ito! Oh, sir. Hello guys. Tonight we want to make some social experience to random people. We want to ask them choose money or memories. So check it out. I have found some good guy who just finished their workups. Sir. Yes. Money or memory? Money. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, miss. Money or memories?
Money.
Okay, we found a tall boy. Let's go. Sir. Money or memories? Oh, I got joy. Money. Okay, thank you, sir.
Karim.
Okay, now we found an Amoy, so we want to introduce him. Hello, miss. You choose money or memories?
Money.
Okay, thank you, miss. Sir. Oh, you very tall, huh? Money or memories?
I do prefer money more.
Oh, so you want to money, yeah?
Yes,
But what?
money everything.
Sir. Money or memories?
Memories.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ramadan Karim, bro. So we just finished our social experiments. So,
Aku. Baby jom, baby.
Macam jangan rugi aku juk.
Mikey.
Rugi aku juk.
Ikut.
Hari ni semoga baik-baik aja.
Parkour.
Kata-kata hari ini semoga esok bukan hari ini. Weh, macam ni.
pegang.
Oh, okey.
Let's go. Saya aku nak jalan. Go. Maruah lelaki. 1, 2, 3.
Aduh. Mana kau nak culik ni?
Record guys.
Tali counter.
Aku pakai ni lah.
Betul lah, okay. Okay,